Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this cracking little 107 in the Allure specification. So outside of the car you have alloy wheels and tinted rear windows. Inside the car there's air conditioning. The radio features a CD player and Bluetooth connectivity, and this car is also free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 25,000 miles and has been regularly serviced by ourselves. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.